Forget needing 1 million subscribers. There's a secret blueprint to start making real money on YouTube from day one, even if you're a beginner. This isn't hype, it's a proven path. Get ready to unleash your inner Tube Kong. Welcome back, everyone. I'm Rick, and today, we're diving into the ultimate guide to start earning money on YouTube from day one. Yes, you heard that right, day one. Whether you're just starting out or looking to boost your current channel's income, this video is packed with actionable strategies. So, grab a pen and paper because you're going to want to take notes. In this video, we'll cover 3 powerful methods to monetize your channel, right from the get-go: affiliate marketing, selling your own digital products or services, and direct fan support. These strategies don't require a massive audience or a ton of experience, just a smart approach and a bit of hustle. So, let's jump right into it and unlock your YouTube income potential. Our first powerful strategy: affiliate marketing. Find products you genuinely love and use, then sign up for their affiliate programs. Amazon Associates is a no-brainer, but there are thousands of options for every niche imaginable. When you create content, whether it's a review, a tutorial, or showcasing a product, include your unique affiliate links in your video description. Imagine this: you're making a video about your favorite tech gadgets. You can include affiliate links for each product you mention. When someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's that simple. The best part? There are no requirements, no waiting, just honest recommendations turning into cash. One key tip: always disclose your affiliate links. Transparency builds trust with your audience, and they'll be more likely to support you by using your links. To maximize your affiliate earnings, consider creating a dedicated section in your video descriptions for your favorite products or tools. Affiliate marketing is just the beginning. Next, and arguably even more powerful, selling your own digital products or services. Think about it. What are you good at? What problems can you solve for your audience? This could be anything from a simple ebook, a mini course, a downloadable template, or even a one-on-one coaching session. The incredible advantage here is you set the price, and you keep the vast majority of the profit. Your goal is to create valuable content that speaks directly to a specific need, then offer your solution as a paid product or service. For example, if you're a fitness enthusiast, you could create a workout plan or a nutrition guide. If you're a graphic designer, you could offer design templates or even a course on mastering design software. Once you've created your product or service, the next step is to promote it. Link directly to your sales page in your video descriptions, and even better, pin it as the top comment. This ensures your audience can easily find and purchase your offerings. Creating and selling your own products can be incredibly rewarding. Not only do you get to share your expertise, but you also build a deeper connection with your audience. To make the process smoother, consider using platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, or even your own website to host and sell your products. Now, let's move on to our final strategy: direct fan support. Never underestimate the power of direct fan support. Platforms like Buy Me a Coffee or Patreon allow your most dedicated viewers to contribute directly to your channel. Even a few dollars from passionate fans can add up incredibly fast and fuel your growth. Be transparent about why you're asking for support and exactly what you'll use the funds for. This builds incredible trust and a super strong community. You can mention these platforms naturally in your videos or add prominent links to your channel banner and every video description. The key is to make it easy for your fans to support you. You can also offer exclusive perks or content for your supporters, like behind-the-scenes videos, early access to new content, or even personalized shoutouts. Direct fan support is not just about the money, it's about building a community of loyal fans who believe in your vision and want to see you succeed. These supporters can become your biggest advocates, sharing your content and helping you grow your channel. To encourage fan support, consider setting up goals or milestones that your audience can help you achieve. Direct fan support is a powerful way to monetize your channel and build a strong, engaged community. You don't need a massive audience to start earning. You need a smart strategy and the right tools. And speaking of tools, this blueprint is designed for you. If you found this valuable, if you're ready to master YouTube and start making money, then it's time to join the Tube Kong family. Hit that subscribe button right now and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our actionable YouTube growth strategies. We're here to help you dominate. Now tell me in the comments, what's your very first step to making money on YouTube? Let's get that income flowing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, every big journey starts with a single step, and today, you've taken that step towards unlocking your YouTube income potential. Let's crush it together, Tube Kong family.